And I am looking for lower prices. That's why we start on the streams.
That's what we need to start the stream. I am looking for lower prices. All right, so hold on. We are inside of this 4 hour instead of this, and we had a shift in market structure right here, 4 hour SIBI. We did had a close above the hourly SIBI. Did not want to see that, but one of the things that I'm looking for is min threshold of the bearish order block. And today, let me make it very clear, I will be paper trading. It is the day after a bank holiday, and that tends to be a little bit more choppy and lower probability. And yeah, we're gonna tape read and paper trade for today's price action. And for the morning session, I am anticipating lower prices. What am I looking for here? I don't have that. Okay. So left line of defense, I will be anticipating that we are above this buy-sell liquidity pool. We have a minor buy-sell liquidity pool right there. And again, we see we're in, and I will be anticipating just a rebalance back into some sort of inefficiency, right? It's one of the two reasons why market goes down. We have right here 50-minute buy side imbalance. So like I'm not anticipating the market to crash, but we have a 50-minute busy. And if we take this load of this. Dun, 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 dun. We have premium. I mean, we have mean threshold of this bearish order block right here, and Wicks can do the damage above it, but we don't want to see an hourly close above it. If we do have an hourly close above this bearish order block, that is the last line of defense for me to looking for lower prices. The moment we close above, there's highly anticipated that we're gonna keep going for the all-time highs, buy side liquidity, and those relatively equal highs look juicy. But for the initial move, I'm anticipating a low. It's pretty much trading the Judas one. The market is about to open in 7 minutes. Shit. We're back. This move right here would have been perfect if it was the 9:30 opening bell. I would have been short. But we have relatively equal highs. I need to see some sort of manipulation first. Or hear me out. Hear me out. Could easily retrace into the 50-minute down here. Because this is pretty much the move that I was looking for. Like I said initially, I'm not anticipating price to crash, but I was looking to trade the Judah swing right here. And we're there before market opens. Again, too smooth, relatively equal highs. This is just priming, giving the idea to retail traders that this is the top. Oh, it's strong resistance. Strong resistance, my ass, man. Right here, this was an entry on the breaker. Right up here. Before taking this low, if we get a retracement inside of this SIBI, before taking this low though, never mind. Well, great to see it. Great to see it. Great to see the market do what it's told. We got a retracement into first percent of a rally gap before taking this low. I'm gonna go short right here, targeting the sell side liquidity pool. If we do get a retracement into it. Big man thin. Well, we tapped into this 2 minute. Hold on. We might not get it. Again, but the narrative is lower prices, right? To me, it's not a huge problem because I mean we still have the chance that I can go there easily. But again, this is the narrative. Big man thin. Three-minute FEG. Thank you. Did that go through? Jesus. Stop loss right here. We have buy sell liquidity taken, relatively equal lows, first percent of a value gap. Looking for lower prices. Okay, so there is a loss. Again, step down. Mm. Gotta keep connected on my phone. This is when you get to the point where it's like disconnect. Audio is sounding good. Let me see. This is all right. So we went above one more time above the buy sell liquidity pool. We are mean threshold of the hourly bearish order block instead of the 5-minute inversion for value gap. We took buy sell liquidity. We might, because we already created the Judas one, so I might be having a weird read this morning, but let's see. This is the move that I wanted to trade, like I said. Like I wasn't anticipating the market to crash. I was looking to trade the Judas one. We did create an SMT with this low right here, which I was anticipating the, what is it, the 6 star approach, where we go lower, just one more time, sweeping that liquidity and then going higher. But again, now we're going to highly likely to that buy sell liquidity pool that we have above.
It's my out.
Again, it's just like picking those days. It's like it takes a great deal of understanding of where like, all right, these are the days that I'm not gonna push a button, and if I'm going to push a button for learning purposes, let's not risk real money or an account. And feels good. Feels good that this loss was avoided. Yeah, I had a weird read this morning. A little bit of balance, but that's fine. That is completely fine. I mean, coming from a 3-day weekend. You see this right here? I do not like this. And this is, if it would have went above this liquidity pool, would have been a lot better. If we would have taken this buy sell liquidity pool, creating a SIBI on this side, I would have gone short. But like this is I don't like this that we did not take that buy sell liquidity pool. So this to me doesn't matter. Would have been better if we would a couple handles above that liquidity pool, then form a smart money reversal for those readily equal lows. If we don't take those, then I'm still anticipating price to draw into it. This down close candle right here is a bullish order block. I've been waiting all my life. It's like one of the things that I try to keep reminding myself of is that if this happens, then I do this. If this happens, then I do that. And it's an if as an error back and forth. Bullish proportion block. You see the market expand above this high right here and not close below mean threshold of this down close candle. Inversion for value gap, so we closed above it. We want to see the market going into it and respecting it, supporting price and going higher. Like right here, we're such rich in a premium. Like I'm anticipating price to draw inside of if we do. It's better if we leave it open. Like if we just run towards the upside, that'll be better. But if we do retrace into it, this busy, we don't want to see price go below this IFEG, right? And keep ourselves right above this area right here. And then this is institutional order flow if it wants to go higher from here. And then towards that liquidity pool. Been waiting all my life. Why am I not taking a trade right here? I mean, we're such deep in a like bridge in a premium that even though that I'm anticipating like highly likely that this is gonna get taken right now, the risk to reward doesn't even make sense. So I'm still like too obvious. But again, 22 handles, my stop loss would have been below like minimum mean threshold, like minimum mean threshold of this down close candle. So it wouldn't, the risk to reward wouldn't make sense. And I was doing some standard deviation, like looking for one standard deviation, which would have been right here, just right above that buy sell liquidity pool. But nope. There we go. I've been waiting all my life. and there is one standard deviation. So what if I would have taken a trade, this is what would have been out right here. From the busy to the one standard. It randomly got hit. The market rejected that very precise level. This is one of the things that you like, even to this day, I'm still getting to the point where I'm controlling every bit of it. Is that when you're in a winning streak, you want to feel like you're better than the algorithm in itself. And you start breaking your rules and you start doing hedonistic nonsense. You're like, oh, I've been winning. Every time that I get into a trade, I win. Let me just push my edge and do things that I don't normally do because I'm winning. And we need to understand that we will, I mean, me personally, I'll never be better than the algorithm itself. So aligning yourself with it, it's the best thing to do. You can win $1 billion in a second. Don't ever think that you're better than the algorithm. And respect the rules, respect the risk, and keep yourself consistent every single day. That's what it's all about. Because like it used to get in my head from time to time when I was in a winning streak. I was just like, oh shit, every time that I get into a trade, it wins. But not understanding that the only thing that I was doing, it's not because oh, when I get in, I'm telling the market where to go. No, I'm aligning myself with SM. That's pretty much what I'm doing. And I need to keep constantly reminding myself that that's what's happening. I'm not better than the algorithm. I'm just aligning myself with the algorithm. And that's pretty much it. And now right here, I'm just tape reading at this point. Mhm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, and I think that will be it for me. We took that buy sell liquidity pool. Um, as of now, I could anticipate some sort of consolidation and then maybe lower, but Not interested in anything right now. Like at all. Not interested in anything at all. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this will be it for the tape reading slash paper trading for the loss right here. I was anticipating this draw and then going higher. I was trying to trade the Judas win. I got Judas wind. And we'll be back tomorrow. I mean, this week is gonna be pretty slow for me. I will be doing a lot less trading. Again, it's a non-news Monday. Today was the day after of a bank holiday. Tomorrow we're not gonna have no news, which tends to be just a little bit like high resistant liquidity run. And then on Thursday is gonna be a decent day for me to look for something. So that'll take in a little loss, which is, I mean, we don't sweat it. That's fine. It's all about managing risk. We're always gonna be taking a loss at the end of the day, and they just keep moving forward.